Hi, this is Brian.
Hey, Brian. This is Liberty Mutual. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. I am calling in reference to for settlement. Let me get everything pulled up. Yeah, it looks like he had soft tissue injuries. His X-rays were negative. Looks like he had a total of 10 physical therapy sessions, but 3 of them were either canceled or no-shows, so it was only a total of 7 that he actually attended. His lost wages, I went ahead and gave him the wages even though there were no disability notes, just due to the impact being on his side of the vehicle. I did accept all of the wages for that.
Okay.
I did take some of the bills were adjusted for customary and reasonable. So the value that I have on the claim is $9,248.
I'm just curious of which of these bills that are all under $2,000 got adjusted such that we're talking about an offer that's less than $200 over his specials.
Okay, let me go over here to the screen that has the bills on it, and I will let you know. Okay, so the Inova Fairfax Hospital, it looks like the bill submitted was $1,632.15.
Uh-huh.
We accepted $671.07.
Okay.
The radiology was $67.
Okay.
We accepted $20.66. The Inova Physician Partners, $263. We accepted $248.88. City of Fairfax, the ambulance, $742.26. We accepted the whole amount.
Okay.
Jackson Clinic, Physical Therapy, $2,058. We accepted $1,968.
Okay.
And then the Northern Virginia Emergency Physicians, $846. We accepted $213.02.
And what in the world are those reductions based on? So,
customary, reasonable for the area.
Inova is the market in the area, so he gets hammered by your insured in an intersection, and what? He got taken to the wrong hospital, so you discount the bill by 66%. What is that?
It's just customary, reasonable for the area.
Based on what? Inova is the market in the area for hospitals. Do you have something you can show me that says the bill should have been $600 instead of $1,600? I mean, I can't.
No, we don't have. I mean, it's not something that you know.
Why would you show me any of the data that this nonsense argument is based on, right? This is I can't believe we're having this discussion in an ER and 1 month of physical therapy case. I'll give you a demand of $25,000 because that's what I'm suiting it for. Do you want to take one more stab at getting it settled before I file suit?
Well, I can tell you I don't have anywhere near $25,000. I mean, I don't have, $25,000 on it.
Okay.
I can give you another offer, of $9,648, but you're just going to file suit. So
well, just tell your insured to look. I mean, that offer is nonsense, and you know it. So I'll just deal with the litigation adjuster. Thanks a lot.
Okay.